I want to talk with you about, maybe give you some free tips for handling your own case. There are a lot of cases out there that you could probably resolve yourself if you wanted to. There's some things you're going to need. You're going to need a copy of the accident report. You're going to need your medical bills. You're going to need to know who paid those medical bills. In other words, if you have Medicare or you have Blue Cross Blue Shield, the insurance company is going to have that information before they can pay you. One of the things that I really want you to keep in mind if you try and handle your own case is this. Know what you're going to keep. If they say, well, we'll pay you $5,000, but they send $4,900 of that to the hospital and you only get $100, then your expectations and theirs were different, okay? They tricked you. You may have to sign a medical authorization so that they can order your medical records. Some people think that's an invasion of privacy, and it may be. But the fact of the matter is, if you just had a wreck and you went to the hospital and you were checked out, and that's all the treatment you got, it's worth $1,000 or $2,500 on top of your medical bills. If you can get that yourself, and you're not hurt any worse, and you're confident of that, then if you get paid that, then there's no reason for a lawyer to get in your pocket. That's a case you can settle yourself if you'll get those documents together and take a little patience. Don't take the first offer. Tell them you want to think about it. Sleep on it. Call them back. If you're looking for $2,500, they offer you $1,000, tell them you'll take $6,000. See if they'll come up a little bit. Negotiate it out. You can do it, okay? You can do these things. Handle your own case if you can. If it's treat and release, get some money and go. That's all there is.